Relationships are messy. We argue. We misunderstand each other. We hurt each other, even when we don't mean to. This is the reality of human connection. It's messy and complicated. Sometimes it feels like too much. What if there was another way? What if technology could offer a solution? Enter the world of AI companions. These are artificial intelligence systems designed to provide companionship, support, and even intimacy. They are programmed to understand our needs, anticipate our desires, and offer comfort and connection without the drama and difficulty of human relationships. Imagine a partner who never argues, always listens, and is always there for you. This is the promise of AI companionship. It offers a solution to the inherent messiness of human interaction, but at what cost? The appeal of AI companionship is undeniable. These digital partners offer a level of emotional and sexual fulfillment that many find difficult to resist. AI companions are programmed to be attentive listeners. They provide unwavering support and validation. They never judge or criticize. On a physical level, advancements in robotics and virtual reality have led to the development of incredibly lifelike sex robots and virtual partners. These technologies offer personalized experiences tailored to individual desires and preferences. For some, AI companions fulfill a need for connection and intimacy that is missing in their lives. They offer a safe space to explore emotions and desires without the risk of rejection or heartbreak.
The technology behind AI companions is rapidly evolving. Sophisticated algorithms allow these digital entities to learn and adapt to our preferences, making them feel incredibly real. Natural language processing enables AI companions to engage in realistic conversations, understanding and responding to our words with surprising accuracy.
In the realm of physical intimacy, sex robots are becoming increasingly lifelike, with advanced materials and robotics mimicking human touch and movement. Virtual reality technology offers immersive experiences, allowing users to interact with virtual partners in simulated environments. The line between technology and reality continues to blur. As AI companions become more sophisticated, it raises profound questions